Hi guys, Captain Seth here. I just wanted to show you a little bit about these ShelterLogic Garage in a Box. This is the SUV truck version. I've had cheaper Costco ones of these for close to 10 years. I get a couple of years out of them before I get rips in the fabric or bent frames due to wind and things like that. So I'm hoping to get a little bit longer life out of these. It's a little bit bigger, a little wider, and I hope to do a time lapse and show you how we put them up. Stay tuned. So step one is going to be move all these parts over to where we're going to assemble this, and I've got some helpers for that. So here we go.
Step 1, lay out all the parts. Step 2, assemble the roof frame. Step 3, assemble legs and attach to roof frame. Step 4, assemble cover rails. Step 5, square up the frame. Step 6, properly anchor the frame. Step 7, install door and back panel. Step 8, install the cover. Step 9, install cover rails and final anchors.
So we're using two different kinds of anchors on this project. This is the easy anchor, earth anchor. And you just take this little guy, insert the rod, and pound it in. second style of anchor we're using are these auger style earth anchors. Stick it in and just thread it into the ground. Hi guys, Captain Seth here. Just wanted to complete my review of these ShelterLogic truck SUV garage in a box. I bought 2 of them this year, and these are to replace these less expensive, little lighter weight Costco carports. And as far as assembly goes and quality of the build and the materials, definitely ShelterLogic wins. The material itself is much thicker. The spacing of the frames is a lot closer together. Of course, they're bigger in size. Instead of the 10-foot wide, we've got 13 feet wide now, and the height is quite a bit taller on these guys. But hopefully I get at least twice as much use out of them, and don't have to replace them as often as I have these Costco ones. So time will tell, but so far, happy. Thanks.